Last video we applied fillets on the edges and to the circles. Now in this video we will apply a mirror and apply the same features to the back of this plate, so that both of the surfaces are same and can slide through. So to apply a mirror, we choose from here mirror, and then where to mirror, what features to mirror. To do that, we need to go to a tree, and then we need to copy the cut. We need to copy the cut to select the cut, pin it, and select the cut. Features to mirror, and select the objects to be mirror on the other side. Now the mirror face plane, since we were drawing from the top plane, so our mirror face plane is as well the top plane. Then OK. It shows an error. The error, let's discuss the error. Unable to create instances for the pattern. Try again by decreasing the number of instances. So like this we can reduce the fillets and just apply the extruded cut, and this will apply. It is happening because of the fillets and the tolerances of the fillets, because it doesn't apply, because it is already applied to both sides. It doesn't apply to both sides, we have to apply separately. So this is the one for the mirroring section. We have almost designed our plate, which usually goes under a 3D printer. So thank you for